What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the Evil Monkey, guys, and we're coming to the end of 2020. Now, if you're on the other side of the earth, it's already 2021, but here in the United States, we've got about a little over 12 hours to go, and it will be finally the end of 2020. It has been a hard year for everybody, including myself. That's all I gotta say. A lot of good things came of it, though. I was able to attend the multi-GP nationals for the first time, which was very, very cool. I was able to go to Wooptopia in Arizona before the whole everything crashed, things like that. I was able to even start my own 3D printing business. Which is pretty cool. So that's been taking up a lot of my time, making prints for people and stuff like that. So, and with the new FAA ruling, we will see what all happens. I think we're going to see a uprising in under 250 gram drones, especially for racing, whoop racing, and stuff like that. I think we're going to see a lot more whoop stuff and things like that. I think there's people that are going to be out there that are still going to fly, and that's up to each individual person. I have my Part 107, so I may still continue to fly. We're just going to have to wait and see. So for right now, I'm not going to be posting a whole lot of videos. I kind of want to see how this whole thing plays out and everything like that. It's been nice taking a break from doing videos, several times a week. It's kind of gotten me back, to a good place. This was just a hard year for everybody, but I wanted to say real quick, so thank you to everybody on the channel, all the subscribers, all the viewers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And let's just hope that next year is going to be better. If you're interested in 3D printing at all, if you want to learn more about it, I'm starting a new YouTube channel. It's going to be all about 3D printing and stuff like that. I'm going to make 3D videos and time lapses and stuff like that. So I'm going to kind of concentrate on more of that because that's more of my business end and stuff like that. So if you want to check it out, go to just look it up on the YouTube. It's just Monkeying Around with 3D printing, or Monkeying Around 3D printing, and it's monkey spelled M-U-N-K-E-Y, just like my FPV name. So that's all I have for you guys. So yeah, this year has been incredibly hard for everybody, and I've never encountered anything like this in my entire life. I don't think anybody has encountered anything like this, in their entire life, except for maybe some of the older folks, may have been around back then. But yeah, so let's just hope and make 2021 a better year, and we'll see what it holds. So anyway, guys, just wanted to say hello, let you know everything's going good, and we'll see you next year. Definitely going to be doing some whoop racing as soon as all the restrictions are gone, and then definitely do some more 5-inch racing when we can, depending on the weather and stuff like that. So we'll see you guys next year. In the meantime, while waiting for my next video, keep your drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.